Molweni bethunana, molweni. 2M, 2 million is the talk of the night. 2 million. Guys, 2M. Sweet Guluva begs himself 2 million rands, guys. 2 million rands. He is a 2 million rand winner. Sweet Guluva wins Big Brother Mzansi Season 5 Umlilo. Oh, umajaivane wethu. Sweet Guluva. We can see here the whole KZN babhizi apho bayacula bathi animazi lo uGuluva. Hey guysini, the whole of KZN kushunquthuli namhlanje ebusuku. Kushunquthuli. Hayi, it's a pity it's a Sunday ngomso abantu baya emerekweni, kuyiwe emsebenzini kusasa nkosi yami, besiyolala angazi nokuthi abantu bebeyovuka phi abantu base-KZ. Yey, kumande, like the streets are howling Sweet Guluva. Animazi lo Sweet Guluva. Hey guysini, he begs himself 2 million rand as he wins a Big Brother Mzansi Season 5. 2 million rand, guys. 2 million rand. We can see his mom crying uncontrollably. And the moment they said, Sweet Guluva, he just went and hugged his brother, Nkosiam. He hugged his brother like wamnamatela lokuyana ukuthi if anyone dares remove me from my brother. Oh, such sweet moment between umuntu nobhuti wakhe Nkosi yami. Yo, bekumandi like hayi no, we knew vele ukubana hayi Sweet Guluva, everyone, most of people loved him, Shem. Almost everyone loved him. Oh, congratulations Sweet Guluva Nkosi yami. Utakuvela khokha ilobola for uAshley amthathe ke abe ngunkosikazi wakhe. Because she was there celebrating with him. She finally met umama kaGuluva. Oh guysini, I am so happy for Sweet Guluva. I am overly excited. Congratulations to him. Oh, imagine Sunday you had whatever money that you had in your account. Jiki, you woke up tomorrow, you are a millionaire. Ha! Guluvakista, Shandapal, 2 million. Aha! Ooh! And say happy Nkosi yami, and so monwabeli, like I'm so happy for him. I am so happy. Let me know what do you guys think. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and share.